Hey guys, Shamboy3800 once again, and today, Eleanor box. First up, I'm going to move the camera over to a better angle so that you won't be crammed. And yes, we're back in the old area that's still messy as all heck. So, yep. I don't want to point the camera down too far because this sticky tape thing is not working out too well for me. There's a reason why I have the M17X out. If you don't remember correctly, or just didn't care to watch my Eleanor fleet update video, the M17X has 65 of its 85 watt hours used up. Gets very bad battery life. Now it won't. New battery. Very hot battery. I'm going to let that cool off. And the best part of any new product ever. Is that charged? Yeah, one little light is charged up. You missed it. One light's charged. Okay, this is going to be a how-to video of how to put in a battery into an M17X R1 or R2. Get something to pry it open, take the old battery out, shove the new one into place, done. There are 5-star ratings all around. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, now that's done. We can finally get on to the big things. I'll slide this one over. Actually, I'm going to start with this one. Why? Because it's so destroyed I can already rip it open. And yay, packing peanuts. How I have learned to hate that cannot be hated. What? Styrofoam 2. And for what I've got here, both of those are bad for it. Yay, packing peanuts, styrofoam everywhere. Just what I always hated. Yeah, that had just enough air in it to get rid of it. That has no air. Compaq bag. You've seen this bag from before. Today there's an old printer port. I'm going to zoom out and turn the camera a little bit. There's a very heavy battery. Don't know why that's so heavy. There's a serial to PS2 adapter. There's a old trackball style thing mouse. A serial mouse to boot. You have a Compaq power adapter. Even so has a little clip on it so that it can keep the thing in. Compaq power cord. Or it could just be some tan beige thing. And now, finally, with a broken zipper, we get a Compaq SLT 286. A very heavy one. It's probably got another battery in it. What's this floppy disk? Blank one. Okay. It's got some Microsoft Excel things, Compaq, and quality statements and presentations on the go. And then they frequently use MS-DOS functions, commandless. That'll be helpful. Anything else in here I can steal? Oh, how nice. I left a little thing for the top of the keyboard. You know how this goes, right? Compaq. And there's one more thing in here. I must steal everything. Paperclip. That's obviously the most valuable piece of this entire collection. Bag away. Compaq away. Gonna look at that later. Because this is more of it. Yeah, it had to come in 2 boxes. If you see my address, don't come and rob me. Actually, I'll probably need to blur that out, so yay. It'll give me the blur tool purpose. More styrofoam, some bubble wrap. More styrofoam, some bubble wrap. I couldn't say that many more times. And in here we get a Compaq docking base. Yay! Boxes away. So, yeah, this is another Compaq SLT 286 docking bay. I now have 2. This one is in worse condition than the one I already have, so probably due to packing or 9,800 years of use. Pretty odd point of break right there. It's got everything on it. It's got all the little rubber, little metal holders in here. I'm gonna check and see if this has another battery in it, because it sure feels like it. No, other battery. So I'll just throw in the already overly heavy battery in there. It doesn't say how many watt hours it's got on it, so just had to go with, it's probably a little bit higher than normal. That's why it's so heavy. And keyboard's a little bit frayed on the wire though, surprisingly, not on the little curly thing. And you can't see any of that. I do apologize. Or maybe I don't. I don't know anymore. I already have a power cord here. So let's plug her in. The power light doesn't want to come on. It's taking its time. The power light over here. Let's turn on the Compaq now. Supposedly this has Windows 3.0 or 3.1 or something, and not powering up. Maybe the battery's dead and it won't read. There we go. You can already see the mess. There, this has 1, 2, another light, 3.4 5 point, I think there was 6 point something or other. So about 6 megabytes of RAM. Nope, 5.76. Went into the other room to get the user diagnostics disc. Starting MS-DOS, yay. This actually has a surviving hard drive. Okay. I should not have worn jeans for this. There we go, mouse is plugged in. Now reboot, run MS-DOS, and see if we can't find out what's on here. Because starting MS-DOS worked okay. Hard drive obviously has some life left in it. I don't want to run it too much because, of course, it might die like every other hard drive I've had in these. Come on, you can do it. Yay. Press enter to continue. No. Enter. Alright, great. Clock battery's dead on this one too, so obviously a very common problem there. 01-01-1990, fake date. Zero, colon 1. Going to eject the disk. I swear to God, if this disk kills this hard drive, someone is going to die. Because I think it's the Compaq disk that's just killing everything. Up on 3, 4, 5, 6, and now 7. A lot of RAM for this unit. Not as much as in the 386 I have, but a lot. This user diagnostics disk is completely worthless. I think it's what's been killing every one of my Compaqs. So maybe the Enron is just fine. Just that this user diagnostics disk is being a dick. Where's DOS boot? I have a DOS operating. Where is the DOS boot? thing. Because obviously you just saw the hard drive working. It was fine. Then I put in the user diagnostics disk and it dies. Clearly it's all my fault for using this old, yeah, fix it, kind of. Why is it going for the floppy drive? Just why? What's on this disk? Because I can confirm that it's the disk. The Enron drive is 100% healthy. If anything, this sounds even worse than the Enron drive. So it's just that it didn't want to boot. That's it. So I shouldn't have put in the Compaq BIOS. It's all my fault. I ruined your time, my time, several $100s worth of parts. And yeah. User programs, no. There's the DOS 2 operating. And user diagnostics. Where the heck is it? Nothing's going right anymore. None of my vintage or old computer things are going right anymore. I don't know why. Usually I'm lucky. I guess my luck has run out. These hard drives are bad. That's as much as I've gotten through my thick skull. I'm done. Done for a while at least. Let me get everything figured out. Then I'll come back to you. Whether that will take a week, a month, a year, I don't know. But until I can figure out how to get these old pieces of junk to work right, I don't think I'm fit to do this. There's a reason why I named my channel Game Boy 3800, and it's not for computers. Computers are done for a long time. I have a lot of plans for games anyways. I might as well start back up. So, thanks. See you next time. My next videos will be either a remake of my Peter Jackson's King Kong for the PS2, or proper gameplay of War of the Monsters for the PS2, or Amnesia for the PC. Because computers, I guess I'm losing my touch. I'm done. See you next time.